In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor for your WordPress website, and I promise it will be straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already. It's always good to know your way around. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Plugins section. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen. Simply click on Plugins and then select Add New. This is where you can search for and install new tools to enhance your website's functionality. Once you're on the Add New Plugins page, direct your attention to the search box in the top right corner. This search function allows you to easily find the plugin you need among thousands of options. Type in Elementor Website Builder and press Enter. Elementor is a very popular page builder plugin that can give you a lot of flexibility in designing your site, so it's no wonder it's one of the top search results. After the search results load, look for Elementor in the list. It should be easy to spot, often popping up as one of the first options. When you find it, notice the Install Now button next to it. Go ahead and click that button. This will begin the installation process, which might take a few moments, so just be patient. Once the plugin is installed, you'll see the option to activate it. Activating the plugin is crucial because it makes the plugin ready for you to use on your site. Click the Activate button and give it a second to process. Once activated, you should receive a confirmation notice, and you'll also notice some changes in your dashboard. With Elementor now active, you'll see it appear in your WordPress sidebar. This gives you quick access to Elementor's settings and options. You'll also notice that when you create or edit a page or post, there's a new Edit with Elementor button. This button is your gateway to a more dynamic and creative page building experience. When you click it, you'll be taken to the Elementor interface, where you can start customizing your pages with ease and confidence. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated Elementor on your WordPress site. Spend some time exploring the features and options it provides. It's a powerful tool with a range of possibilities for customizing your website design. Thank you for following along, and happy website building. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be glad to help out.